do you find the class?
I think it was definitely meaningful for us, at least for me on a personal level.
Yeah.
Understanding the structure from a company, how it cascades down to
Yes.
department and all the way down to individual, so that everything is tracked from the bottom all the way to the up, and likewise
Yes.
to bottom. So that's a very clear structure now. especially.
Excellent. Would
Yeah.
you recommend this to your friends?
Yeah, definitely. I think any of my friends who are in any other organizations,
Yeah.
where they are having a bit of a gray area on how they are being measured,
Yes.
I think this is something very fruitful.
Yes.
Although it's a long process, but it's a process that needs to be done.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, and everyone will be happy
Yes.
when they are being rewarded during the bonus period.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.